This time round we're making a tonal drawing using compressed charcoal. As it's got gum arabic in, it can be combined with water to produce washes. When I first started making this particular drawing, I wondered why those washes were quite crude. And what I hadn't appreciated was that I was doing a drawing on a small piece of blotting paper, which was readily absorbing the tone and not allowing it to be moved around. So this is a drawing combining mark making with the compressed charcoal and the marks that are capable of being made with the brush. In this second version, you'll see this time I've sharpened the point of the compressed charcoal. This means that I can work much more delicately with a much finer set of points. One of the great beauties of this as a drawing medium is that it can be used like a pencil, very, very finely, but also like charcoal, very, very broadly. And again, combining it with water, this time you'll see a much more subtle range of tone to produce. One can produce a much richer, wider range of tones. Working with pencil this time, adopting a similar technique, one is blocking in the large expanses of tone using a hatching technique. This pencil is a rather hard pencil, and very soon I change from a pencil to a graphite stick, which means that I can fill larger areas of tone more quickly. It's also softer, which means I can produce much darker tones. As with charcoal drawing, we don't just have to use the pencil to make our tones. We can also use a rubber and a stump to move the tones around, plus our finger too, to produce a subtle range of greys. In this final example, we can see again the tonal drawing starting off as before, very, very broadly. I'm using a softer pencil this time at the beginning. I'm drawing back into that tonal area with a stump to give me more subtle greys. But one of the things that I've found over the years is I get quite frustrated with the greyness of pencil and also the time it takes to produce the large areas of tone through hatching and cross-hatching. And I always think it's quite exciting to combine a pencil drawing with wash media as well.